Minister of Health Dr. Jane Ruth Aceng has injected 74 million shillings into community groups in Adyel, Lira City West Division. Welcome to News Today on Lao News Channel. Dr. Aceng, who is also the woman member of Parliament of Lira City, said the money is her savings from constituency allowance. She encouraged the groups to invest the money into their small businesses in order to improve the growth of their households.
Alobera kere chi herena kara wanu ti kwa yukui imwa tutumia rio achiel untushi bini penyu ngono ni achiel group mama mano winyu unu cha dende group testimony amedango no meo konyu wa ube ruwa nikari ginoro titiri amemo bueno dong na utino ka nyalo chahare ni amona per woro te munu te ya te dong manu peti di no ma chahara dita wanchel dan ka moro chahara dito pe medde.
She encouraged the community to work hard but also to be mindful of their health. Aceng also warned her supporters against using vulgar languages.
Mara ayera kata uwekulu bedi an kanu nyala ye kanu nyoma ye pe ngiuna haye kali juye da kuya ka witi mu pe ngo kuri mana me wuru kene na hi wiyamo ni lanu jo lanu wun mon na haina tino kuri lepu weno litapetwe anka di winyu da lo aho ga winyu na toro yaba ngwesho ko pemita win right measure malaya pepa wana ko di lepu weno weku baby pepe ko di lepu pepe.
Aceng promised more support in the health sector and livelihood.
Jami amea chienti ya kwanya kelokan kari joti ya yetu niubero mea gamente jama gamente petike de tien gime yate binuka ajo ben parliamenti no moru jamino ya binuka ni no mi jamino kura chien teru binu kari cheme me awora lo kere NGO teke lokali no jote yet achio tu supikano yet achio ke medical camp yet achio ke ambulance yet achio ke ngo yet o chan wadwa wan pe yet wulu jani no clienti jo ke na chende gitie nini wuni boru wera ma ko na hireju ni chende tia lala ka gom gilit uwot gini kan pala te tuaro ko etu wundi eri wo ko eto koye me konyo wada molu ya kino udo aja ko kombora cheng yen transport tera mulang mom tuar fa yiwu kanu bela be.
There was also an inspiring testimony from a group that benefited from this fund earlier.
Pero woro yele bang kienda chengu sukele wa bango bero megwa la habishwa chao mi watu tulokwan la habishwa cha jame pao te tulo tabongo ayela morgi ken ututa mi yimwa hani amaro mi nina meno mi wakili chena numutiki ni chena cash miliona pa jo auto biro kiri kwana mon kwana jo tego ya nuni utiu tinyu chene etu ngechwa dang pe dokelo functional adult literacy amano tiu kiri kwan ameka ori wori chat modek ni charo ka ori wori reg nino wada reg wori here kai reg ndo utu ke di kwan chene mene no ori kede so jamani long wa to you ubiri group mewe ko wadon man kono ka gina won rem kere ber machine yu bogi.
On the 8th of August 2024, a total of 149 groups benefited from this fund, and each group got 500,000 shillings. And the cash was distributed at the former Adyel Division Headquarters and Lira Modern Primary School. But the project is covering the entire city. I am Denish Ongora for Lao News Channel, Lira City.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe.